If you give a little more than you take, and if you try to fix more than you break,
You mama, you mom.
if you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain, there's a place for people like you.
Maureen.
If you stand up for those down on their knees and lend a voice to those who cannot speak.
Hey guys, we are in Kakamega, hapa Natwaji. Amalemba.
Yes.
And this is Mama Kayla.
Kayla, yes.
And this is how old is Kayla?
Kayla is almost 4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
Yes.
In February she'll be 4 years.
Okay, and what's the problem?
Her problem alizaliwa na hydrocephalus na spina bifida. Problem ya spine. So alifanyiwa correction at Eldoret Referral Hospital, but since then she has never been able to walk. Hajaweza kusimama, nothing goes on below the waist. Hata mkojo na haja kubwa inakuja tu freely without control. So she relies on diapers 24/7.
Okay. But you can help us, ndio? Hii kesi kama hizi unaona mingi sana, but she's young enough, so there's still hope.
Okay.
So long as hizi tukianza mapema, bado uko na hope. Young, si ndio? Ambia Wakenya namba yako, watakutumia pesa, alafu sasa tusaidie mtoi cut na rectify, tumbaie wheelchair, akienda therapy, atupeleke shule, si ndio?
I'll be the happiest.
This is the happiest. Tell them your number is?
It's 0794 9845 30.
30. Na jina yako ya mpesa ni?
Ni Karen Etiang Omuse.
Karen Etiang Omuse.